We're tearing apart an iPhone!
Flick!
So we want to get inside an iPhone. We want to see what we got cooking in there, right? We tried cutting through it with a hot knife. That doesn't do so hot. Besides, knife started on fire.
What is it? It's gonna blow up if we cut it, won't it?
I don't think it'll blow up if we cut it.
I think this is gonna work if we just do that.
Well, this is the glass case you're chipping away. So these are glass fragments that your butt breaking off right now.
Oh.
Wait a minute. Here we go. We're getting a big chunk.
Is it recording?
I think so.
Is it
Ooh,
recording?
look at that. That's like a mirror.
What is that? I think that's the battery.
No, don't break it. Let's see what that mirror looks like.
This the other side.
I see you. Be careful now. There might be glass in here somehow. Alright, what we got? What's the next layer? Look at that. That's even crazier. It's even more reflective than the other one. Here's the one. Why is there so many mirror-like things in here? Careful with that knife now.
Oh, see, it feels kind of sticky. Whoa, okay. Hold on, cowboy, don't kill yourself. The battery blows up.
What are you doing back
You
there?
were so interested into the phone.
What were you doing?
Nothing?
Nothing?
Nothing.
How come I don't believe you?
God! It's like a guitar. That thing feels like, it feels like it's gonna pop out. Wow.
Here we go.
Not bad.
Oh, okay.
That's the battery.
That's the battery.
We already ripped through, and I'm backing up. Oh!
You want to try to pop that battery out?
No, I'm gonna blow it up.
Nah, maybe not. So we got this reflective lens. This one's kind of bendy. This one
the
is
other
not. This is the surface.
Oh, you got the other piece? I didn't even notice that.
Yep, we got two pieces. We got the back side of this. This is the battery. This is what you're not allowed to replace on your own. Ooh, that's hot. Let's dive into this a little more. But you can see right here, right in this one, you can see all the circuits that we have. It has multiple sheets, so this is actually the touch screen. This is what you'd be touching right here with your hand to control your iPhone.
You're like, oh, this is the battery. This is the phone.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know, stand up and dance. It's like,
sugar. That's all I can say. He's had some sugar today.
I did not. You didn't even give me a sucker. Did I step on glass? No, I didn't. I'm good. Heba hoda hoo. Heba hano 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 heba hoda hoo. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, that's glass. I hate glass. Okay, guys. All you. Shut up. No, I don't need to. All you 5th and 6th and 7th graders and maybe even adults that wear diapers, please subscribe. Plus, tell us what should we do for our next video.
So what if the adults don't wear diapers? Can they still subscribe?
No.
Yes, if you're an adult and you don't wear diapers, nope, can't subscribe.
No. Wait, stop. Make a shout out to PewDiePie. I can't even say it.
You're making a shout out to PewDiePie.
PewDiePie! Good night, America. Have a good American sleep.
Please do not include that.
America.